Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Honda CR-V EX, stock number Z6934A. 45,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, modern steel metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory, 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat with the pull of a handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen Honda Link system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can sync smartphones to Pandora and AHA radio as well. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Motor control overhead. Under the hood, this CR-V has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6934A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.